Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious deviled eggs without vinegar. The secret to achieving that classic tangy flavor without vinegar is fresh lemon juice. It provides a bright, zesty acidity that perfectly cuts through the richness of the egg yolks. You'll find this method creates a wonderfully balanced and flavorful deviled egg, ensuring a delightful treat for any occasion. We'll walk through each step to guarantee a perfect batch every time. First, let's prepare our creamy filling. After hard boiling your eggs, carefully slice them in half lengthwise and gently scoop out the bright yellow yolks. Place these 12 yolks into a medium-sized bowl. Using a fork, mash the yolks thoroughly until they are completely smooth and free of any lumps. Then, add about 1/4 cup of your favorite mayonnaise to create that essential creamy base for our deviled eggs. Now it's time to bring in the flavor. To your creamy yolk mixture, add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a subtle, savory depth. Next, incorporate 2 tablespoons of that fresh lemon juice we discussed earlier. This is your key vinegar substitute. Finish by seasoning with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything well, then taste and adjust until it's perfectly balanced for your palate. Finally, let's finish these delightful deviled eggs. Carefully spoon or pipe the creamy, seasoned filling back into the hollowed-out egg white halves. For a classic touch, sprinkle a dash of paprika over each egg for both color and a subtle flavor note. You can also add a small sprig of fresh chives or dill for an elegant presentation. Chill your deviled eggs for at least 30 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.